Hi viewers, if you clicked on this video, I guess you're having problems getting views and subscribers on YouTube. Just want to tell you I've come to the right place. Watch till the end, every bit of information is valuable. I will be providing you with some tips on how to get more views and subscribers on YouTube. First of all, if you're a small YouTuber and you have a small channel, whether gaming or vlogs, try to get your viewers' attention by creating awesome thumbnails that while searching through YouTube, your thumbnail stands out and persons would tend to click on it more. So be more creative. So first tip, be more creative. Second tip, try to make your videos in at least 720 video quality. We pass 480p, the age of dinosaurs video quality already, and persons would tend to watch your video more in good quality, which will lead to more watch hours and views to get monetized on YouTube. So if you wanna know how to get monetized in YouTube, like this video and I'll make another video telling you how to get monetized on YouTube and make money. So get back into this video. Third tip, in your videos, to get your viewers to subscribe, place subscribe tags throughout your video to keep them reminded to subscribe, and explain to them why you should subscribe. So in your videos, you can place like cards in your videos telling them why they should subscribe, and down in the comment you should comment to them and explaining to them why they should subscribe to your content. Fourth tip, make sure to reply back to your viewers with a positive comment to keep them watching. Your videos which when other people come over to your channel, they would read the comments, and once they see something positive in the comments, they would subscribe and like. So fifth and last tip, make sure to give your videos a great title name to allow persons to want to click on your video, and place right tags in your video so that it can be searched up and find more quickly. If you want more information, read up on SEO. So read up on SEO if you want more information on like tags, and I can also do a video on this. If you like this video and subscribe, the more likes and subscribers, the more encourages me to make more videos like this, because they take time and practice to provide good content to you guys. So SEO means search engine optimization. So this basically is like when you're on Google and you're typing up something, like you will type up how to make cake, but you don't click on it nothing yet, and you'll see like how to make cake with strawberries. So it's something like that, and you can use that on YouTube to like make great YouTube titles that persons don't have already. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment below what you would like to see next, and learn about either the SEO or how to get more money on YouTube / the monetization part. So comment below M or comment below SEO. So thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.